Welcome to TV Cream of Cats, bringing history back to life. I don't think I'm a sheep, and I'm certainly not a headless chicken, and that's why I and lots of others do our own thing on YouTube. Some may call me strange, and some may call me weird. But actually, I'm proud to stand out from the crowd, because I'd rather be an innovator than an imitator. Okay, let's do some YouTube freaking beatboxing. Yeah! I'm afraid that's the end, folks. If you found this video clip handy or even mildly entertaining, please click on the appropriate red stars below. And if you'd like to see more amazing video clips like this, please click on the bright orange subscribe icon up there somewhere. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.